In Pro Tools, I can just hit the 0. That'll start playing my session. And I'm just going to preview one of these. Okay. Hey, man, the Unison MIDI chord pack is back with a free Black Friday pack. And it's actually kind of crack. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. And if you don't know yet, man, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. So if you still waiting to hit that subscribe button for some reason, just drop down in the comments and let me know why. Anyway, like I said, man, the Unison MIDI chord pack has a free Black Friday pack that you can get right now by dropping down in the description. You know what I'm talking about? I got the link down there. I'm going to give y'all a little preview of what's in this chord pack, and it's actually kind of crack. Like I said, man, let's just jump over into my Pro Tools session, man. Let me give y'all some rundown with the 1-2. So when you download this free Black Friday pack, you get all these folders, man. You got vocal ad-libs, chops, you got vocal melodies, you got MIDI bass lines so that you can set to your own sounds if you want to. And we also even have samples. So we got bass loops, we got drum loops, we got artist series samples, man. We got 808 samples, bass, man, we got claps, hi-hat, percussion. Full sound packs. Okay, we got MIDI scales files, so you can really go crazy. We got one-shot samples, Omnisphere presets, Serum presets, melody loops. Bruh, you can literally download this free pack right now and start making some fire, and these sounds are actually pretty dope. Let me see where I want to start off with, man. I think I want to start my beat off with like a melody loop, okay? I'm going to also teach y'all a little bit about Pro Tools. So the dope thing about the Unison MIDI chord pack is that my man's not only puts the BPM, the tempo of the audio right into that file, but he also put the key, man. Clap it up for that, because a lot of us, we be like, dang, man, how am I supposed to find the key and the tempo? Okay, but this makes it super, super easy to keep everything in key, because especially when you're working with samples and loops, you want everything to be in the same key as you working. And if you're not a music theory expert where you can just automatically hear and detect which key it's in, it's probably going to be a little bit harder for you. So by having the BPM and the key written right into the file, it's just going to help make this whole process a little bit easier, man. Pro Tools has a dope feature too. So I'm using the workspace browser to browse these files, but you could also just use your Finder and drag and drop them right into your Pro Tools session. But I like the workspace browser because it does offer us a little bit more functionality to where if I set my session to, let's just say I want to work at 90 beats per minute, right? And then if I open up my workspace browser back, let me get back to that window I just had. Okay, so I got my session set to 90 beats per minute. This little button at the top is called the audio files conforms to session tempo button. Oh man, drop some likes on this video because you're getting exclusive level Pro Tools knowledge, which I normally only give out in my Pro Tools certification course that's actually enrolling right now. Okay, so make sure y'all sign up for that too. So this little button, audio files conform to session tempo, will allow me to preview any of these loops or samples that I'm about to pull in. I can preview them at the tempo that my session is at, which is going to be just help me out immensely about putting multiple samples and loops together, because they'll all play back at the same tempo and I get an idea of what I want to do. This does use an Elastic Audio plugin, so I'm going to right click and just make sure that I'm on polyphonic because I'm going through some loops right now. Again, if you need to learn more about Elastic Audio, I do have a full Pro Tools certification course that you can sign up for right now. So let's just go through some of these melody loops and listen and see where the crack is at. That's kind of 21 Savage vibes right there. Let me put my headphones on. Okay, I kind of liked it. Okay. You could definitely do something with it. And if you notice, it's playing back at my session's current tempo, right? E flat minor. I kind of like that. No, that ain't gonna work at this tempo. Okay. Okay, I've actually. That's a groove. All right, bet. So all I need to do is just drag this sample right over into this blank area of my session. I'm gonna hit don't import on it. We're gonna drag that in and we should be locked up. Yeah. Okay. All right, bet. So now let's go ahead and jump off into some of these one-shot samples, man, because I think I saw like some 808s and stuff. So let's just try to find a drum loop that'll work in there. Again, it's gonna play back at my session tempo, so let me just preview some of these. And a dope thing that I could actually do now that since I'm in the workspace browser, if I hit the 0 on my numeric keypad, what this will do is actually trigger the session to play. So now what I can do with that playing my session is I can preview the Unison MIDI pack drum loops in context with the loop that I already have. So I'm gonna hit 0 and then we're just gonna go down the line and see what these sound like. Okay, and then since it's a drum loop, let's change this to rhythmic. There we go. Let's hear it. That ain't hitting. That's hard. Okay, I like that. I like that. And then we're just gonna hit the 0 to stop. So I actually like this guerrilla warfare. So what I'm gonna do is drag this right down onto its own track. I'm gonna set my grid value to 1 bar to make this a little bit easier to work with. Zoom in. Let's just see where we at. Okay. Now let's hear what we got so far. Woo! Drag this. Oh man, that's actually kind of fire, man. Let me see. Okay. All right, Josh. So far the beat is sounding pretty tight with just 2 loops straight from the Unison MIDI chord pack. And I'm gonna try to drop something else in here, man. Let's see what one of these vocal ad-libs might sound like just as a little stab, man. So I'm gonna just go scroll down to the ad-lib section. And let's just preview one of these. Again, in Pro Tools, I can just hit the 0. That'll start playing my session. And then I'm just gonna preview one of these. Okay. Okay. I think this first one actually sounds pretty tight. So I'm gonna drag this down. And then let's just see where we can put it at the 0. Let's there we go. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna drop that a few spots. Oh, I might get freaky with that little sample. Let's just throw a little lo-fi on that. Yeah, and then okay, so what's this at? Damn. There we go. Yeah, so we're gonna go 2 semitones and a half, and then we'll get into the key of the song, and we should be pretty tight. Let's hear our beat. Ooh, that's hard. All right, man. Y'all see how easy and fun it can be to make beats using the free Black Friday pack that you get with Unison MIDI chord packs, man. The link for this is actually down in the description below. And they got an even fatter pack that you will get actually on Black Friday. So download this joint right now. Until next time, be dope.